Hello everybody, welcome back. I have another sugar engine made, 15 inches. The last one I did, I drilled it out with a 5/32 core. And this one I did with a 7/32 drill bit. So we'll see if that helps. I'm not sure that it will. But I've been lighting them with a fuse, so I'm going to try this with a fuse and see if it helps. We'll see if that does any good. I know you're supposed to light a cord engine from the top of the core, but I've been lighting all my sugar engines from the nozzle end. The other one that blew up, I lit from up inside all the way up on top. So I'll try it with the fuse this time and see how it goes and go from there. Oh yeah, I did just want to say that I got a recommendation to put the camera up by the engine when it goes off, so that we can play it back in slow motion. And there's a recommendation to get a piece of plexiglass to put the camera behind. So I did that. This is my little rigged up deal here. Not very pretty, but it says it's unbreakable, so hopefully it is. And I'm going to film it with my phone also. So I'll get that going. And here we go. Lost the fuse. Okay. Blooper reel number 1. You can hear that echoing through the hills. Okay, well, try a bigger diameter core. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.